Harshada. I started my journey in Unichem around 18 months ago. Feels like I've always been a part of this company. I've always felt welcome.
My name is Jalesh. Since 19 years I have been associated with this company. Actually, I started as a chemist in Unichem Goa plant and subsequently grown to the position of Chief Quality and Compliance Officer. I am presently responsible for the quality function as well as the regulatory affair functions of the company. The company has really helped me to take up my career to the newer height.
So Nidhi, how does it feel completing 4 years in Unichem now?
It's really great. You tell me, you are with Unichem for 19 years now.
Oh, that was wonderful. I can tell you I had a great run throughout.
Today I feel proud to say that I am a member of Unichem family.
Conducive environment along with a sense of ownership, the ability to deliver the results and the commitment to set up a new standards, I feel some of the key attributes which have really helped me to grow up in this organization.
You have to take care of some of the resources which are already mentioned in the SDG.
As a R&D professional, I've been exposed to multiple facets of my domain, and the most exciting part for me is to see how a novel drug can impact lives of millions across the world. As a young professional, I'm adequately encouraged and empowered to take my decisions. No new idea is ever discouraged at Unichem. In fact, you can always bank on your seniors for advice. The motto at Unichem is like, don't be afraid to ask. I mean, literally.
I believe at Unichem we have a healthy mix of individuals to bring in new ideas and new perspectives for every solution.
Actually, very rightly put by you, Nidhi. See, being women, we have multiple roles to play. And when I come to office every day and find a conducive job environment here, my job is made easy as we are chasing our targets and we are constantly on our feet. You know that. We do not carry any stress. Back at home, I can tell you that. And we look forward to come to office every single day.
Yes, I agree. I feel proud to be a part of this organization. We respect and appreciate the fact that female colleagues have different requirements, and the work environment here helps us to balance our lives at home and at work.
पिछले साल जब मेरा 8 मंथ ओल्ड बेबी बीमार हुआ, डायग्नोस में पता लगा कि उसे हार्ट प्रॉब्लम है और जो डिजीज़ पता लगी कि आरटीएल स्विच होना है, साथ में वीएसडी क्लोजर होना है और ये सब बर्थ डिफेक्ट होता है, कोई भी मेडिकल क्लेम पॉलिसीज को कवर नहीं करती है। हम लोग बहुत परेशान थे, परिवार परेशान था, मैं परेशान। बट हाँ, मन में एक आशा थी कि अपने बच्चे का अच्छे से अच्छा इलाज कराऊंगा। जब मैंने कंपनी की मेडिक्लेम पॉलिसी के बारे में जाना तो पता लगा कि इट विल बी कवर्ड अंडर द कंपनी मेडिक्लेम पॉलिसी। थोड़ा सहारा मिला, बेटे की सर्जरी कराई, आज मेरा बेटा अच्छा है। जब मैंने उन चीज़ों को पाया कि कंपनी हाँ मेरे सुख और दुख में मेरे साथ खड़ी है, आई रियली थैंक्स एंड प्राउड कि आई एम ए पार्ट ऑफ यूनिकेम फैमिली।
Seems like it was only yesterday when I joined this company. The fact is, I have completed 24 years with Unichem.
Unichem was my first company I ever joined, and I always missed being a part of it once I moved on.
Nurturing talent and providing the career growth is in the company's DNA.
There are many sales teams in Unichem, but we have got healthy competition among us.
Seeing my successful 24 years career with Unichem motivates all my fellow team members to pursue their career with Unichem.
It's a great feeling to rejoin as a division head in the same company where I started my professional journey as a medical rep after 20 years. In that sense, life has come a full circle for me here.
We learn from our mistakes, but at the same time, when it's a victory, either small or big, we really celebrate in a memorable way.
Home is where the heart is. I'm proud to be here again and enjoying every bit of my second inning.
I have started as a medical rep from Allahabad for initial 8 years. My managers recognized my effort and helped me out to reach to the position of national sales head out of Mumbai. At times, I joke with my family, just like my favorite actor Amitabh Bachchan, I also created my place in Mumbai.
I was working in the domestic market, and once I got the opportunity to work in the international market, I grabbed that opportunity. Unichem is a truly Indian multinational company with global footprint. I felt that this is a place where I can improve my career and take my career to a different level. With subsequent years of experience, I joined Unichem Labs. That is the place where I wanted to invest my career because the mission of the organization matches with my passion. Acacia represents the emerging and regulated markets of Africa, CIS, and Asia. Unichem's strategy in Acacia is to focus on the high value added generics by increasing its core competency.
This company not only aims at profit but also giving back to the society. Under the company's CSR banner, certain initiatives like the Adivasi Unnati Mandal, Vision Foundation of India, and Amrut Modi College of Management are a few to name. Since many years, I've always wanted to do something for the society, and here today I am under Unichem, my organization, which is providing me this platform to do something to fulfill my social cause.
Apart from our daily routine work, the initiative under the corporate social responsibility gives us sense of fulfillment and also helps us to connect with the society. It gives me great relaxation when I visit such places.
मी विनोद वसन मोरे मी युनिकेममध्ये 1996ला जॉईन झालो. मला 20 वर्ष झालेले. पण माझं पण एक स्वप्न होतं की मी पण स्टेट लेवलला खेळायचं माझं पूर्ण स्वप्न होतं. पण ते पैशानुसार माझं कधी स्वप्न झालेलं नाही.
माझं नाव सौरभ विनोद मोरे. मी धनुर्विद्या खेळात खेळतो आणि तिथून माझं सिलेक्शन डिस्ट्रिक्ट म्हणजे हिंगोली येथे झाले. तिथे मी गोल्ड मेडल पटकवलं आणि तिथून माझं सिलेक्शन जबलपूर म्हणजे नॅशनल इथे झाले. तिथे मी टॉप 5 मध्ये बसलो आणि तिथून सिलेक्शन माझं ऑस्ट्रेलिया इथे झाल्यामुळे माझ्याकडे पैसे नसल्यामुळे मी तिथे जाऊ शकत नव्हतो.
संधी मिळाली पण त्याला पैसे नसल्यामुळे थोडंसं मला सगळं झालं. पण ऐन टायमाला मला युनिकेम परिवाराने मला माझ्या मुलाला स्पॉन्सरशिप देण्यासाठी मला मदत केली आणि त्यांनी दिल्यामुळे माझा पोरगा आज ऑस्ट्रेलियाला पोहोचला आणि ऑस्ट्रेलियाला पोहोचून त्यांनी 540 मध्ये त्यांनी 6वा नंबर काढला. म्हणूनच मी सांगतो की ह्या युनिकेम परिवाराकडून मी त्यांचा धन्यवाद करतो.
We have completed more than 7 decades of existence in this industry. My father started this business with one very important thought, and that was quality and reliability. We have overcome significant challenges, and I am also clear that we will face newer challenges and tougher challenges as time comes. But I am sure with everybody's commitment, we will ensure that we can build Unichem and take it to the right heights which it deserves and it should reach. We would all agree that there is a lot which we need to put into our organization and therefore get out of our organization. I am sure with the kind of team we have, the opportunities we as a company provide, I have no worry on this aspect. I know that a lot we can do together and will do together to make Unichem the organization all of us should be justifiably proud of.